Hey yo, it's your boy Papa Fix It back with another one. I got my truck and trailer hooked up. I'm going to go pick up Dakota number 5 today. This one is a 1994, excuse me, V8 4x4 5-speed. Finally getting my 5-speed Dakota. I'm either going to use this one as a parts truck if it's super rusty to make probably the green one into a 5-speed, or I'm going to, maybe it's nice. I don't know. I could kind of doubt that it's nice enough to save, but it's got like 265,000 miles, $1,000, so I'm pretty excited to go pick it up. I got about 2 hours scoot down to Maryland to go grab it and then come on back and we're gonna see what we got. All right, catch you on it.
I could never pretend that I don't love you. You could never pretend that I'm your man. That's exactly the way that I walk. It's exactly the way that I am. And you call me in the morning with your truck, taking it downtown every night. I could never place the stars at 9 o'clock. Got my hands on the ground and you know I'm right. You wait so long. You wait so long. You wait so long. You wait so long. Neighborhoods left to decay. People died and walked away. There's nowhere left for them to stay, and we just look the other way. This old bus taking water, won't be long till it goes down. Had enough to push us over. Time to turn the wheel around. Pounding through the night, lost without a red light, going downtown to fight. There's still time to make it right. This old bus taking water, it won't be long till it goes down. Had enough to push us over. Time to turn the wheel around. This old bus taking water, won't be long till it goes down. Had enough to push us over. Time to turn the wheel around.
I'm on the road and I'm a f***ing moron. Jesus. So anyway, I'm pretty sure I have the wrong plate on this truck. I was swapping bumpers around in the shop between 3 trucks, playing musical bumpers. I'm pretty sure the license plate stayed attached to the bumper and this is now the wrong plate. Which makes this even better. There's way stations shit. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to stop at them. I'm not a commercial driver. I don't have my CDL. This is just my personal truck and trailer. It says trucks and trailers. I I got a truck, I got a trailer, I don't know. I'm gonna play dumb. I'm not, you know, I'm not a big truck, it's just a little truck. So, yeah, I blew past one station already. They didn't chase me, thank God. But yeah, so I'm feeling like an idiot right now. I got a two-hour drive each way. I'm paying attention now to see if there's way stations on the other side. Cops all over. Hopefully, hopefully I don't get plate scans. I have to explain that one away. They're not gonna like that. But yeah, I guess I'm just gonna have to play dumb. If I go past the way station, they come get me. So we'll see how that is. I mean, I honestly don't know if I'm supposed to stop at them or not. I mean, so yeah, I got a little more driving to do. Feeling like a moron because I'm pretty sure I'm riding dirty. Awesome. So yeah, here's to Godspeed and no cops and no more way stations. All right, it's your boy. I'm back. I got it. I picked up another truck. This is Dakota number 5. Let's take a look. So we got the tow pig and the matching Dakota now. She is she's rusty, but like I said, I didn't care. The frame's not hateful. It's not good. I don't know if you can see any of that, but it's not too bad. The truck is not terrible. I bought it as a parts truck, $1,000, you know. V8 4x4, 5-speed. She's banged up. She's got some rust. She's got some rust. But it ain't too bad, and it's got some decent parts. Bumper's all right. That grill is nice. You can't buy these with Dodge on them anymore, and a lot of them get kind of jacked up there or get these things broken off, and it's got one broken off. But that's a $70 part, you know. It's got this custom roll bar. It's actually pretty nice. Came with a job box in the back. That's $100. So I think I got a pretty decent score here. I'm all right with it. So interior ain't the best. It's pretty bubbled out, but we got floor mats, got a nice dash pad, got the 5-speed with that 6 shifter. Oh, check out the headliner. Yo, is dope. All right, yeah. Got a sub. Oh, I got one of these too. Got a little bit of everything. I'm all right with it. This is pretty decent. So yeah, got me a mud truck. $1,000. We got us a pants truck. I'm not fat. It's something, I don't know. We got the diesel power stickers on the, might be a diesel. All right, so I made it back to the shop with my Dakota. I'm pretty excited about this one. I'm probably, again, not gonna get started on this one too soon because, you know, it's part of my personal Dakota. So I'm pretty sure I can turn around and sell this truck for more than I paid for it right now. But I really want that 5-speed in one of my Dakotas. I don't know if it'll be this one or if I'll swap it into, say, the green one in there. But yeah, something's gonna happen with it. Definitely got $1,000 in parts on this thing. Let's just walk around, take a little look-see here. So we got some pretty chunky tires. Let's see what size: 31, 10.5, 15s. Got a nice set of wheels on them. Yeah, they older, but it's whatever. You got that ram rust. Frame's not hateful. Let's see, do I have cats under here? What do we do? We got a Flowmaster. Oh, there's a little cat. What do we got? Oh, no, it's straight popped. Oh yeah, we got some mud up in here. Hell yeah. Raise hail, praise Dale. Oh yeah, we got that rusty ass Flowmaster. Little teeny cat right there. Let's take a more of a look. Take a peek. The rockers really ain't bad on this. Shame. Got some decent plastic trim pieces still. Oh, we got a manual up in here. Oh, look at that. That is... Oh, hell yeah. I didn't even know that's what that was for up in there. Sweet. Cup holder. Got some, this is Bubba truck. Headliner's actually kind of dope. Got us a little sub here. I don't know if we got an amp or not. Oh, it's all built in. Neato. Oh yeah. I was saying, and it's got these things are like 40 bucks a piece on eBay, and it's got 2 of them not broken. These things are also like 60 bucks a piece on eBay. 2 of them not broken. So yeah, it's got all kinds of parts I need. Looks like somebody just hot glued that back on. That ram rust. Got what's left of the gap guards. Ooh, I do need a, what do you call it? Control arms to fix the vert. Maybe I'll steal them off of here. Hopping up, pretty excited. Yeah, a little on the bumper. I love these self tappers. It ain't staying. Just throw some more self tappers in it. Oh boy. All right. Oh, we got a little rocker rust on this side. That's more of the. Okay, where's the hood popper? Oh yeah. Let's see, is this one of the ones where you gotta like hold it and then Jesus. Might opens. Let's see, did that pop the hood? I think it did. Hell yeah. Let's see what the hell's in here. So I bought this thing without popping the hood, without driving, and I didn't even drive it on the trailer. Dude drove it on the trailer for me. So it says it's got a new radiator. Yeah, I'd say that's probably newish. New fan and clutch. This have AC delete, and this don't have AC. Yeah, that's a AC delete. That's neat. I could delete AC if I wanted to. I don't. Ooh, look at all this Bubba ass wiring. Battery looks newer. I did say that was newer. Oh, we got the hot air intake. You love the hot air intake. Ooh boy. Yeah, this is a mud truck. That's about it. But hey, for $1,000, shit. AC system. So it had AC. They did the delete. They took that shit out. I said no. I personally like AC, but yeah. 5.2, nice. I was wondering if this was a swap. It's not. That's good. Yeah, so I'm about 95% sure. I tried to buy this truck when it was for sale in Buffalo, New York, about 3 years ago. I seen it. I mean, I scour the internet every single day. My friends at Collector Car Feed, you should come check out collectorcarfeed.com. They help you find some stuff. I was using some other sites like Car Tempest. I'm not gonna say the thing. Not my favorite. My favorite, Collector Car Feed. Yeah, so dudes at Collector Car Feed are cool. Like if you're looking for a specific car, he'll go on there and add it to the list, and you can get daily updates of every new car listed in the States. So I was like, yo, Feed, let me get some Dakotas. Guess what I got? Some Dakotas. So yeah, I got the note on this one. I messaged him an hour after it was posted. I was the first one in line. He said there was about 30 people bugging him. I believe that because, you know, $1,000 running, driving 4x4 V8 manual truck. That ain't gonna last long. Well, look at that. Got a little job box. Custom roll bar. Actually look kind of nice. Got me, oh, it's not a stamp tailgate, it's just press on. Ooh, she's a little rusty anyway. I thought this bumper might be a little cleaner, but I'm gonna I think make something to go over there because the rest of the bumper ain't bad. Hell yeah. All right. Not too shabby. So yeah, that's my truck. Sweet, I'm gonna get her off the trailer here and maybe I'll take her for a spin, get some repair plates on her and see what she'd like. So yeah, there's another Dakota video. If you guys like that, do the like, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. Take her easy.